Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. I've teamed up with Santander to get behind their latest campaign, the Green Homes Revolution. I want to share some of my DIY tips and knowledge with their customers and staff. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your home more energy efficient. So why am I standing in our shower talking to you? Well, these standard shower heads like this use about 2.5 gallons of water per minute. A low flow shower head like this, which is an energy saving one, only uses about 1.5 gallons of water. So there's a saving of 1 gallon per minute. And this is how quick and easy it is to swap. Unscrew this. Be careful that you don't lose the little rubber washer in here. And then take your new shower head and screw it back together. Now 1 gallon per minute might not sound much, but if you think you have a 10-minute shower every day, that's 10 gallons a day, 365 days a year, equivalent to about 3,560 gallons of water you're saving. Now if it's a mixer shower like this, you've probably got a gas combination boiler that heats the water with an electric pump in it that forces it to this position. So you're saving on water, gas and electric by changing your shower head. So by making quick, simple, inexpensive changes can really make a big difference over time. One more thing to bear in mind when you're having a shower. Get yourself an egg timer. Because when you're having a shower, just simply set that for 3 minutes, quick wash, maybe another 3 minutes to rinse all the shampoo out, and then you should be out. If you're looking for more energy saving tips around the house, visit the website santander.co.uk.